आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं जो चर्चा पे, वो उत्कल ट्यूबर्स कंपनी के सीईओ संजय महंत और हमारे साथ हैं सौरभ सिंह ऑपरेशन से। उत्कल ट्यूबर्स, which is a company known to be innovation and promotion in sustainable agriculture and improve farmer income. सर नमस्कार सर, आपका स्वागत है कृषि जागरण के मंच पर।
नमस्कार, हाय, थैंक यू।
The company utilizes the cocoa peat and aeroponic technologies to develop high-yielding disease-resistant varieties of potato seeds. On this, let's start our discussion with the questions like, sir, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे यही होगा कि the agri sector has performed outperformed other sector during the pandemic. What do you think? What is the reason behind this? कि जब हम सुनते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर को जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी बात करते हैं आत्मनिर्भर होने की, और बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज इस पे काम कर रही हैं, एंड इवन द डिबेट ऑफ द 3 farm laws are going on, and today the 61st day of the protest of farm laws to be taken back. So how do you take this question in today's scenario?
देखिए, एक तो कैसा है कि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ऐसा है कि जो पेंडेमिक में जो इसकी डिमांड थी, वो एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को ही ज्यादा फोकस था, बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू फूड इंडस्ट्री। सो फूड में सब ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ फूड, सीरियल्स है, पल्सेस है, वेजिटेबल्स है, सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड। तो फूड इंडस्ट्री का इट वाज अ प्राइम डिमांड ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड, एंड टू सप्लाई, because government has also given permission to the supplier during to work for agriculture industry.
So just to add to what sir mentioned, I think if you look at the pandemic, right, the pandemic severely impacted economic activity across sectors, but luckily for us, and because of the necessity of the sector, right, agriculture was always falling under the essentials category. Hence, we had that demand supply. There was an issue with demand. There was definitely an issue with supply, right, to begin with, and there were challenges that we also faced across the spectrum in the sector, working in the sector. But what was really heartening was that there was consistent demand, because food is one of the necessities, as sir mentioned, right? And being an essential commodity, it actually the impact from a demand perspective was much lesser. And as and when the various lockdowns were relaxed, you saw that even the supply channels, the bottlenecks were solved for there as well. So I would say that it's a mixture of how the pandemic, the reaction of the government from the pandemic, and how government bodies have worked with the companies like us to to improve the supply side bottlenecks over the period of the pandemic, to ensure that our food the agriculture industry has not suffered as much as say other industries. One more critical issue was that a lot of reverse migration happened because of the pandemic, right? And that has enabled good supply of labor in the rural areas, and that has enabled that the kharif crop, right, the harvest was actually quite good, and even for the rabi season the expectation is the same. Hence, these are maybe this is a concoction of factors which has actually led us to believe that the agri sector is actually doing quite well. I think sir would have had some numbers around kharif and rabi.
Yeah. And basically the crop is cotton, paddy, pulses has increased 20% of hike in the acreage wise all India. So the even cotton, if you say the cotton has also increased in a 20 to 25%, and the huge demand for, and this year also prices are very good, output prices. And the people have realized is what is the need of agriculture, because the earlier agriculture was good, but now it has reflect during that period. Particularly, people have realized that agriculture is the industry. We can, without agriculture we cannot survive. This is the basic need of the people, of everyone. Might be poorer, might be middle class, might be rich, but the food is the basic need. So for food, everything comes under agriculture. So we are related with the food industry in potato. So it was a heavy demand during that period. Even it was a constraint of supply. So supply chain has drastically disconnect, and then it was very impossible possible to send the material different places at desired time. It took long time to reach the material.
Yeah, sir, as a company, like apart from innovation and sustainable, sir, can you brief, मतलब आप बता सकते हैं हमारे दर्शकों को कि आपकी कंपनी क्या करती है and how your supply chain are working? कि if a person is interested and which countries or in India, which states are you located? So on that.
Yeah. See, देखिए, first of all, I will talk about the R&D. तो हमारी कंपनी रिसर्च में काम करती है और वहाँ पे रिसर्च में जो अपना खुद का जो प्रोडक्ट डेवलप होता है उसमें कोकोपीट और एरोपोनिक करके जो सिस्टम होती है जिससे हम मिनी ट्यूबर्स डेवलप करते हैं। और जो हमारा जर्म प्लेजर रहता है, जर्म प्लेजर से एरोपोनिक में उसको डेवलप करते हैं मिनी ट्यूबर। एंड मिनी ट्यूबर फर्स्ट जीरो जनरेशन बोलते हैं, G0 जनरेशन से लेकर तो G3 जनरेशन तक हर हमको 3 साल लगते हैं एक वैरायटी डेवलप करने के लिए। तो ये जो प्रोसेस है, ये प्रोसेस हमको क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, वहां पे डिसीज का इंसिडेंस देखना पड़ता है, सारे पैरामीटर्स हमको वो कंट्रोल कंडीशन में डेवलप करके फार्मर्स तक हम 3 साल में, चौथे साल फार्मर्स को वो सीड, पोटैटो सीड हम फार्मर्स को देते हैं कल्टीवेशन के लिए, कमर्शियल कल्टीवेशन के लिए। तो एक बहुत बड़ा हमारे लिए कंपनी के लिए चैलेंज रहता है कि हर साल वो प्रोडक्शन उतना आना चाहिए, डिजायरेबल कंपनी सस्टेन होना चाहिए, प्लस उतना आउटपुट मिलना चाहिए फार्मर्स को। लेकिन हम जैसा 2016 से हमने काम स्टार्ट किया, हम सक्सेसफुल है कंपनी कि अभी 2020 में हमने अच्छा we have supplied good quantity material, quality material quantity in this Rabi season. और उसके रिजल्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस लोगों ने हमारा ब्रांड प्रेफर किया। आज जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी है मार्केट में, उनके साथ में हमारा क्वालिटी कंपैरिजन किया और क्वालिटी के साथ में हम स्टैंड हुए।
So, just to summarize what Sir mentioned, right? Utkal is essentially a seed potato company. Our endeavor is to be a partner of choice to the farmers that we sell to, right? So farmers are our buyers, and we have seen that in the potato market, which in India is typically the production in India for potato is 5 million tons, right, annually, and that has grown from 25 million tons back in 2010, and we expect that it will go to around 100 million tons by 2030, right? So one of the key factors for this growth in acreage and production of potato going forward is going to be the quality of input seed provided, and that's where a player like an Utkal comes into the picture, right? We are a seed potato company. We start with the tissue culture plant, that as Mr. Sanjay mentioned, and we work till the end seed that we supply to our farmers. Over this 5-year journey, we have done good enough work to come to a place where our farmers are confident of the product that they're buying from us, and we intend to grow similarly in the next few years. Yeah.
So right now you're located in which state?
So our headquarters is in Bangalore, right? But our operations are actually distributed across the country. We have offices in Calcutta, we have offices in Madhya Pradesh, and production facilities in Gujarat, Punjab, Assam, UP, and Haryana. So,
And any import outside India?
no. Currently, we are just focusing on the demands of the Indian farmer to start with.
So if a farmer comes and approach to for a seed, like what is the cost of one packet of that potato seed from the market?
So seed potato, that depends on, so if you look at potato, right, the potato industry is quite volatile. And if you look at this year, around 15 to 20 rupees per kg is what the seed potato prices would typically be for a farmer. So it depends on the year, right? Last year, it actually went up as high as to around 100 rupees a kg because there was a genuine shortage in the market. The demand of potato rising over the pandemic, but in a normal year, it's around 15 to 20 rupees a kg.
So any particular like business strategy that has helped Utkal Tubers to increase their revenue substantially in the past 6 to 9 months? So on this, can you highlight us some point?
See, because of consistent qualities, so our brand is going to establish in our marketplace. Second, because the performance of the product has shown at the farm, created a brand image, and farmer has trust, distributor has trust. because from last 4 months we are supplying the consistent quality to the farmer. And the revenue, regarding the revenues, because of, see, this year was exceptional because the prices was higher side, so we got the competitive revenue this year.
तो जस्ट अगर मैं इनको समराइज करूँ तो अगेन वही है कि हमने जो 5 साल में बिजनेस खड़ा कर रहा है अभी अक्रॉस द एंटायर वैल्यू चेन, आप पोटैटो सीड के अराउंड देखोगे तो दैट हैज हेल्प्ड अस along with our brand, that has helped us in creating a very strong brand value now with the farmers, where farmers हमको एक competitive price देने को तैयार है आज के दिन में, right? So that is for a 5-year-old company competing with the likes of Mahindra and ITC, it is a big thing, right? So and that coupled with the demand that we saw from the market has actually helped us improve our sales volume considerably over the last 6 to 9 months.
So just I will add. See, why? Because we are very supplying consistent quality and very strict to the at production level. Because we are, for example, I will give some examples. Rogging is an operation in potato crop, so we are very strict. Even virus is a disease, so there also we are rejecting our products. So in quality, we are not compromising a single percent. We are quality conscious company. Even we are not growing very fast, but first is our motto is to provide quality to our farmer, and then gradually company.
So I mean, if talking about quality, right, we have very standard SOPs and package of practices, standard operating practices and a package of practices which we have to adhere to. Recently we got even an internal auditor on board, so to track all these. So we believe that good systems and processes will actually help the company in its future growth path as well.
Sir, so you tell you just 5 years ago, matlab you started your process in a journey. So you might be feeling some kind of demotivation when you see the big companies in the market like ITC, Tata. तो वहां पे कहीं आपको लगता था कि नहीं हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, चलो छोड़ो, बीच में ऐसा हो जाता है ना, कंपनी स्टार्ट तो कर लेते हैं सभी, उसके बाद बीच में नहीं, they are the big players in the market, how we will we survive, हमारा पोर्टफोलियो मार्केटिंग कैसे होगा, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसे स्ट्रेटेजी करेंगे to deal with this, the pressure from coming, and how we can give good qualities and all. So have you faced these kind of any challenges for a
नहीं वैसा कुछ नहीं है, because see एक एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री में बड़ा और छोटा नहीं होता है, because if you are supplying the small scale also, if you are supplying the quality, one day you will be king in the market. Because I have seen, my past experience is very huge. I have 30 years spent in the agriculture industry, so I have seen from scratch to zero to a company has grown up to 5,500 crores or so. I have seen that company. So first is quality. If we are not compromised with the quality, definitely we will not have any fear of competitors. We are very confident because we know what we are selling. So that is must in the agriculture sector. Also, and seeing is believing. There is a proverb, seeing is believing. In agriculture, जो फार्मर देखता है फील्ड में उसी बिलीव करता है, वो किसी कंपनी का नाम नहीं सोचता, पहले देखता है कि मैंने क्या लगा है, मुझे अच्छा मिला, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड, वो 10 लोग उसका फॉलो करते हैं. ऐसा ही हमारे कंपनी के साथ हो रहा है, तो हमको कोई फियर नहीं है.
Also, just to add, I mean, very valid point. Just to add, in fact, आप देखोगे ना तो अभी कैटेगरी ही काफी छोटा है. फार्मर्स जो है ना, वो इनपुट सीज का रिप्लेसमेंट ही बहुत कम है. तो जैसे जैसे कंपटीशन बढ़ता है, जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ेंगे, जैसे जैसे इंडस्ट्री बढ़ेगी, तो एक्चुअली आपका पूरा हमारा भी इंडस्ट्री बढ़ रहा है इन दैट सेंस. तो ऐसा कोई खास कंपटीशन अभी है नहीं, बिकॉज इतना नेसेंट है. किसान आज के दिन में खाली 5 से 7% ही किसान है जो कि सीड एक्चुअली नया सीड यूज कर रहा है इंडस्ट्री में. तो अल्टीमेटली इट शुड बी 100%, राइट? बिकॉज देन ओनली इंडिया को जैसी यील्ड चाहिए वैसी मिलेगी, and then only can India be the bowl of probably Asia or the world. तो इन सब के लिए जैसे अभी कंपटीशन, तो मतलब हम लोग सब बहुत साथ मिलके काम कर रहे हैं आलू की कम्युनिटी में, एंड probably 10-15 साल बाद because I think we all will be like 100 crore 1,000 crore companies is what we see in the industry. Yeah.
सर कभी ऐसा लगा कोई फार्मर शिकायत लेके आया हो कि नहीं जैसे मेरे को थोड़ा आइडिया है क्योंकि इवन आई फ्रॉम माय बैकग्राउंड वाज फ्रॉम बॉटनी, जैसे स्पिंडल ट्यूबर डिजीज या मोजाइक डिजीज या ब्लैक रॉट कुछ पोटैटोज में आ गया या कहीं गलत से दूसरे जगह से आ गया और आप पे कह रहे हैं कि आपने हमें सीड्स खराब दिए, ये कुछ ऐसा आपको देखने को अपने 5 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में मिला और उसको आपने कैसे डील किया?
श्योर, देखो एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री में ये होता ही है, सीड इंडस्ट्री में पहले प्रॉब्लम से स्टार्ट होता है, लेकिन मैंने तो ऐसे देखा हूँ अच्छा क्रॉप है लेकिन लोग फार्मर प्रॉब्लम है बोलते हैं, तो उनका क्रॉप देखने आना चाहिए कंपनी के लोगों ने, तो वो सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं। और कुछ ऐसे आप बोल रहे हैं वैसा होता है, लेकिन उनका मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग रहता है। जब हम फील्ड में जाते हैं और पर्सनली देखते हैं उसका क्रॉप का क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसको सोल्यूशन भी दे देते हैं। वो सोल्यूशन देने के बाद में जैसा डिसीज है, लेट ब्लाइट डिसीज है या अर्ली ब्लाइट डिसीज है, हम बोलते हैं उनको ये फंजीसाइड यूज करो, तो उसका सोल्यूशन उनको मिल जाता है, उनको गाइडेंस मिल जाता है। और ऐसा होता है इंडस्ट्री, एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री में इट इज वेरी कॉमन कि कोई फार्मर का कंप्लेंट आ गया भाई कि आप ठीक नहीं है, क्रॉप ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, तो उनको हम टाइम टू टाइम सजेस्ट किया तो उनका क्रॉप अच्छा हो जाता है एंड दे आर हैप्पी विद द सजेशन।
जनरली ऐसा है ना कि किसान टिपिकली, क्योंकि अभी एक किसान के पास प्रॉब्लम है, हम लोग एक एरिया में कम से कम 50 या 100 किसानों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो वो देखता है कि मतलब हमारे मेरे उसके दोस्तों के साथ तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही, देन वो बेसिकली एज अ कंप्लेंट नहीं लाता है, एज अ कंसर्न लाता है, एंड हमारी एग्रोनॉमी टीम वेरी मच इन ग्राउंड अवेलेबल रहती है उसको हेल्प करने के लिए। तो वी लकीली बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी दैट वी प्रोवाइड, हमें बहुत कम ही इश्यूज अभी तक फेस करने पड़े, तो touch wood on that.
Yeah, and we give post sale services also, because always we are active in the market. We always attend the farmers complaint first priority, and we satisfy our farmer and they are happy.
So that's very great. Like your research team are doing quite well in finding the solution and giving good approach to the farmers, and that why they are also happy. So even that's your motto, to make farmer happy. So that's how the company builds the trust and gain trust in the market. So coming to the next question, like what kind of technological disruptions have you made in your supply chain management?
We have recently we have started a traceability uh, traceability at the field, especially in our production area. And it's very recent project for us. So we are just recently started. So in future, we are thinking to continue this project and work on it in a detail, from starting to start operation from planting to end of the even up to harvesting. So we'll keep on watch and we take the review and take the data. Actually, we provide package of practices. So what we do in package of practices, whether the farmer is doing or following our package of practices as per our schedule. So that we verify. Why we verify? Because farmer should get the higher yield what we are expecting, and they should get proper. They should give the proper fertilizer or irrigation or even pesticide spray. So the crop will be under control, and he will get finally good yield.
And also our entire supply chain, we have been able to build it out online now, right? Everything is on the cloud. We don't follow a lot of papers, documentation, while the documentation is very strict on the ground, but we have been able to, track it over the internet. So that is what, in the supply chain point of view, that's how we have built. And as sir mentioned, once we have so currently the traceability project is on pilot. Once the entire pilot is rolled out to all the locations, I think we'll have much better visibility and control over across the supply chain.
And we have reduces even our cold storage losses also to 6 to 7%. Considering our experience, so now we are experience within 4-5 years. So now we have reduced the cold storage losses, and then we have partnership with transportation, because transportation is a key success role in supplying the seed potato within time frame, because sowing time is very short window. It is just 15 to 20 days window. So we have to supply the whole material at different places. So for that also we are working and we are planning to keep the material nearest point so that farmer and our distributor will get smooth operations.
So apart from like farmer, you tell like potato also plays a big role in wafer industries. So have
Yeah.
you ever tried to reach in the wafer market sector because Lay's, Kurkure, these
Yeah,
all
yeah.
things require potato. So what is your plan like?
So
How you deal?
basically, if you look at potato, right, when we are selling to potato farmers, the farmers are growing it either for table. So one is table and the other is processing, right? Now, table is what we eat at our homes. These are varieties called Jyoti, Pukraj, Bacha, Khyati. All these varieties go to your homes, right? And those are farmers which are based out of across the country who are producing for home consumption. Hence, it is called table. It's eating on it. The other part is processing varieties, and there are many such varieties. In fact, in the country currently, chip 1, chip 3, Frysona, and Lady Rosetta, all these varieties are very much available in the market. These are grown by the farmers to be able to sell those to chips companies and French fries companies. Apart from crisp that you mentioned, also French fries companies are a very big they consume a lot of potatoes. So that, in fact, that is a very strong business for us as well. And in our portfolio, we have a 60-40 mix of, sort of supplying to processing partners, because that is a very consistent revenue stream for us, and it gives us constant business. So that's what in fact, in our portfolio currently, we are supplying to the likes of McCain and Hyphon. These are French fry producers, and also we are in talks with other companies to be able to be a partner of choice in the years to come. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, as a company, so 1st February would be the big day for any one of the today coming, what Nirmala Sitharaman ji would be presenting. So what as a company you expect in a budget? Like what do you are looking in this 2021-2022 budget? Any?
Uh, from a company perspective, I think we would uh, we definitely stand by the farm laws, right? Those have been proposed, and we will try to seek some clarity on how the execution will happen. Apart from that, I think especially in the potato sector, there is no MSP as such, and there are we have there have been there have been a lot of changes in the laws in the last 3-4 years. So I don't see, we don't foresee any substantial measures for our broadly on agriculture. Definitely, if the government is coming up with an MSP guarantee, that would help. So I would say that.
So coming to the last question of the day, like going forward today, like what are the expansion plan of Utkal Tubers, and as a like what are your future plan basically? What other things you are becoming in the markets?
See, we are planning within a 2 to 3 we are planning to produce 30,000 metric tons of potato seeds. That is our main priority. And if you see the last year of the total acreage of production, the 1920 was 400 acre, and now this year 20 to 20 800 acres.
So basically, one would be on production, right? We intend to expand our production to around, as I mentioned, 30,000 metric tons over the next 3-4 years. The second lever is actually introducing new varieties in the country. Our extensive R&D and our partnership. We have a partnership with a company called Irish Potato Manufacturers. It's an Ireland-based company called IPM. So they are one of the leading seed breeders in potato across the world. So we have access to their varieties, and currently we are planning to launch 7 to 8 of their varieties in the next 2-3 years. It's already in R&D. It's already in production in our facilities in Bangalore. So new varieties, production, these are the two key strengths areas for us. Also, I think our distribution capabilities are currently in the current distribution. We are definitely sure that we can reach out to at least, we can actually probably fulfill the demands of 1 lakh metric tons of seed potato today in the market itself. That's the kind of distribution we have across the country. So these are the three key levers, apart from obviously our R&D trials in non-traditional areas. Like we were the first to produce seed potato in Gujarat. Probably will be the first, we're just conducting a trial in Assam. We'll be the first to produce seed potato in Assam as well. So these are the areas where we have actually distinguished ourselves in the industry, and we believe that these will be our levers going forward. Production, varieties, uh, and your distribution pipeline with the distribution network of 1 lakh metric tons, and our new area trials which we have been able to manage. And all of this is backed by the strong team led by Mr. Sanjay Mahant, right? We have a team in place which can actually take us to the next 3-4 years quite clearly. We don't need to hire a lot in that sense. We have an entire structure of team in place for the next phase of growth for the business.
Yeah. So the company like Utkal Tuber, when they think about innovation and sustainable, so that makes more India proud in becoming Atmanirbhar and even supporting the backbone of farmers. What today farmers are feeling that companies are not able supporting, and there is a lot of confusion on the table going between the farm laws. Still, we see the companies coming up for a big things in India, and apart from like 1-2 year, I expect that we would be the largest exporter and importers of potatoes when such companies come more in India and when they start to find the solution. So शुक्रिया सर, आपने अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया. एक बार फिर
Thank you.
फिर मुलाकात होगी आपसे किसी और विषय और किसी और चर्चा पर. नमस्कार.
Sure, sir. Namaskar. Thank you so much.